Okay, tonight I'm striking another one off of my list. This is from the digital, and it is Be With Me. And this particular song was an idea completely from Dimash. He came up with kind of the storyline and the arrangement, and he sketched out a little demo of it and decided what kind of instrumentation he wanted in it. Recorded a small demo, and then he played it for his sound producer. They listened to it and made a few tweaks to it, added a couple more sounds and so forth on it. Kind of leaving the original structure to it, but adding some features to it. Then they invited in another musician who was going to be doing the Damra part and getting some feedback from him. Again, they tweaked it a little bit more. And then Renat, Dimash's friend, who we also see at his concert and who is a composer, came in and he took a look at it and added a few other instruments, like some wind instruments and so forth. And then they finally did a recording. So unlike what I had in my mind of, they write the song, they go into the studio and they sing it and they do a couple of little quick edits and re-record certain points and play around with the sound and it's out. But this was several recordings of it before they got the one that they finally liked. So there were several versions of this song. And in this one, and I was lucky to find one that did have all of the English subtitles on it. We get the subtitles for the rap part as well. And then if you've seen the music video on it's got, this very kind of dramatic story that ends with a to be continued. I hate those because I'm always waiting for part two of it. But with that one, I was always a little bit confused in the beginning as to why this girl would run away from Dimash. So I need some clarification on that. But anyway, for the concert, they're setting it up. And again, a lot of the idea of this was Dimash's idea. He would be a great movie director. They wanted to set it up like it was like a Broadway musical. And we start off with the love triangle, the two girls, complete opposites of each other, and they're both fighting for his attention. And then the action goes underground into the subway, and you get to see the trains, the rushing trains, and you get, which I think is kind of cute, flashes of posters of Dimash's various concerts, and you see some street musicians, and you get the appearance of the brunette heroine in there, and she begins to show attention to a guy that she likes, and then the music begins to kind of change, and then you get the blonde comes back in, and the guy still seems to be going back and forth between the two. He takes them off on this beautiful red Mustang convertible, and he takes them on the ride around the city, still not showing a preference to any one of them. And then it returns back to the stage, and the stage looks like a busy city street. And then new characters come in, the girls' boyfriends, the dancers, and the girls go back to their respective lovers. And the main character, Dimash, is left alone, and he's there, searching for love and not finding it. So it'd be interesting to see how they put this all together and what it looks like. So let's go ahead and start the video.
I see you looking my way, and you can feel it when it dance with me, baby. I see you looking my way, and you can feel it when it driving me crazy. Yes, it feel right that you and I want to go head on with me. Show me what you got, baby. I see you move your hips so perfectly.
Get ready, everybody. She's so naughty. She wanna party.
Oh, I'm falling in love with your smile. I promise you're gonna be mine. Nobody's gonna love you like I do. I can feel you, the one that I need. You are Halalam Lakulilai. You are all that I need. You are all that I need. You are all that I need. You are Halalam Lakulilai. Be with me, be with me, be with me, be with me,
Сүйіндетің қайда қайда байқа байқа маған қазір ғашық қыз көп артымда сөз көп оған сөз жоқ сен мені қалаған мен пайдасын неменмен бірге болам деп жүрегіме жетер жол іздеп мойнамай тек сені өш алам мен ғашықпын шын дей салам мен қаласың көп адасып сүйсең тағы да өзімше айтпақшы жүрегіңмен деп соққан сезімді сес сен ғашық кез өлерім күдігіп қаласың кез мен үшін ештеңе емес қалма қамығып жалынып мұңға малынып босқа сағынып мен тек жүректен мыстық сүреген тырыстық махаббаттың майданында алыстық бір жұлыстық мен сенен биікпін махаббат салмаған жоқ жалған көп қаламын мен арманым болып мен тек жүректен мыстық сүреген тырыстық махаббаттың майданында алыстық бір жұлыстық мен сенен биікпін махаббат салмаған жоқ жалған көп қаламын мен арманым болып
I'm gonna take you away. I took you to a place where nobody watching. I'm gonna take you away, but only if you really want it, don't you? Yes, it feel right that you and I want to go head on with me. Show me what you got, baby. I see you move your hips so perfectly.
Get ready, everybody. She's so naughty. She wanna party.
Oh, I'm falling in love with your smile. I promise you're gonna be mine. Nobody's gonna love you like I do. I can feel you, the one that I need. You
Okay, that was Be With Me from the digital concert. And I am going to leave you tonight again with wishes for happiness, health, and above all, peace. And we'll probably throw in a little short for you.